My inspiration today comes from my almost 18-year-old son. He is the absolute light of my life. He's hilarious, he's kind, and sometimes weird like me. Anyway, he's a bit obsessed with a certain brand of chocolate and wanted to grab a couple of bars the other day when we were in the specialty store that you get them at. They're behind the counter, I guess because they're so popular, they do this for theft prevention. So the cashier had to get them for him. And one of them had quinoa in it, and my mind was like, huh? I asked if he knew what was in that particular bar, and he said yes, but he admitted to not knowing exactly what it was. Always a finicky eater, this one. He will find the Chinese food restaurant or the seafood restaurant that serves chicken fingers. Anyway, jokes were made about how anything is good covered in chocolate, and I was still a bit shook that he willingly purchased quinoa something. Sure, a negligible amount, but whatever. Dude ingested a superfood covered in chocolate. So, want to know some of the benefits of incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your diet and how they can improve your overall health and well-being? What are superfoods? So, superfoods are nutrient-rich foods that are considered to be especially beneficial for health and well-being. These foods are typically high in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other essential nutrients that you need. Some common superfoods that you've heard of include blueberries, salmon, kale, and chia seeds, among others. Incorporating superfoods into your diet can provide numerous benefits, including strengthening your immune system, very important right now especially, supporting healthy digestion. A healthy gut also leads to a really good immune system. Promoting heart health, enhancing cognitive function, boosting energy levels. By consuming these nutrient-dense foods, you're giving your body the fuel that it needs to function at its absolute best. There are many ways to incorporate superfoods into your diet. You could add blueberries to your morning oatmeal or a smoothie for an antioxidant boost. You can sprinkle chia seeds on your salad or mix them into your yogurt for added fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Just be careful with how much chia you use because it can cause some tummy issues. Snack on roasted salmon or a handful of almonds for a protein-rich, heart-healthy option. You can swap out white rice for quinoa, which, as I said, it's a nutrient-packed whole grain that's high in protein and fiber. You can make a superfood smoothie with all kinds of stuff, spinach, kale, and other leafy greens for a quick and easy way to get your daily dose of vitamins and minerals. Incorporating superfoods into your diet can have a significant impact on your overall health and well-being. By choosing nutrient-dense foods, you're giving your body the essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that it needs to function at its best. So try incorporating some of these superfoods into your meals and snacks and enjoy the benefits of a healthier and more nourished body. And even if you have to do it with chocolate, have at it. No bad foods here, just watch your portions. And if you want to try a chocolate with less sugar or even a darker chocolate, even better. Whatever you like, it's up to you. That's the undiet way. If you would like any more information about any of our health and lifestyle coaching packages or individual services, keeping in mind that we offer more than just weight loss guidance and support, please email one of us at info@bemehealth.ca or visit our website at bemehealth.ca. Thanks, have a great day.